Alright, this is a video of this Kitamura Mycenter, and we can't do it with the doors open, but it's running right now. I know the video is going to stink, but it's just to show that it's a good running machine. Right now the table's moving, spindle's running. How many RPMs you at?
Right now we're at 6,000.
6,000, sounds beautiful. Got the indexers going with it. It's a Kitamura 10-inch.
No, that's a full fourth axis.
Full fourth axis. It's a Fanuc 16i, nice modern controller.
15,000 RPM spindle.
15K, nice. Hot rod spindle. Cat 40, right?
BT40.
Oh, BT40, yeah, alright. Let's do a little warmer upper program.
Pneumatic counterbalance.
Yeah, keep telling us stuff. I can't get it to focus good. Oh yeah, there's this thing is going, yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, it's fast.
Fast.
Box ways, very rigid.
Not little linear guide rails.
No, big boxes and nice glass scales on this too. Lots of feedback, held microns its whole life.
That's what we like.
Let me run the spindle up. It might not let me. You have to warm the spindle up. That's 5,000. 8,000.
Nice. Yeah, it needs to
Gotta
warm up.
warm up.
Yeah.
But it does. It goes up to 15 and sounds beautiful.
Yeah, good. We'll do a little shooting here. Nice giant special fixture. Won't go with it, of course. Nice. Tell me about the tool magazine on this baby. Is it a carousel or is that a belt back there?
It has a belt. It has 30 tool pockets in it.
Nice. Looks good. It's nice and clean. Beautiful. How about your coolant? You got any high pressure? Is this like 300 pounds or you got anything special on it?
This one is just regular flood coolant, but it floods it.
Yeah.
I mean, it gets the chips away. It makes sure the coolant's getting to the tip of the tool, and I mean, it just floods it. Washes all the chips in the inside of the machine and does a great job at it.
Nice.
It also has a graphics mode too.
What does the graphics do? It'll show you a tool path, you
Yeah,
mean?
it usually shows it to you, but don't know why.